Hi friends, welcome to our SoftAcademy, my YouTube channel. In this tutorial session, I will discuss about null in Oracle. Okay, so who are watching just new in my YouTube channel? For those, I will advise that all other videos, there are many videos from the basic to advanced level. So who have no idea about what is data, what is a database, what is a database management system, so they can watch those videos. There are very basic to advanced level of tutorial videos in my YouTube channel. So they can start from the DBMS, introduction to DBMS. There are two videos, part 1 and part 2 on DBMS. So just watch one by one so that they can get understanding of what is data, what is database, what is relational database management system, and what is Oracle actually, and how companies use Oracle for their business. Okay, so and other things are who actually don't know about SQL, that is structured query language. They can watch the videos of many videos are there on SQL. Those videos you can watch so that you can get a full understanding of about SQL, what are the SQL commands, and how they will how they use in order to fetch data, and how it is beneficial for Oracle, and other videos are very advanced level of videos also there. You can watch one by one. Okay, so today in this tutorial session I'll discuss about the null values in Oracle. What is null values and how we can use null values effectively in our Oracle database or in our SQL queries. Okay, so let's start. So I'm writing here what is null. Okay, so null values are basically actually the empty values in a database table column. Okay, so who have no idea about the table, I have two videos are there that are Oracle DDL statements part 1 and Oracle DDL statements part 2. Just watch those videos, you will get understanding of what is a table, how a table is organized, and how a table can be created, and what are the different operations we can done on table. Okay, so thus just watch those videos one by one and you will get full understanding of table. Okay, so now a table is a collection of rows and columns. I discussed everything about those in my two videos that are Oracle DDL statement part 1 and Oracle DDL statement part 2. Thus watch those videos if you have no idea about table. Okay, now coming to today's topic, what is null in Oracle, and what is the use of null, and how we can use effectively null values in our SQL queries. Okay, now I'll tell you what is null. Null values are basically the empty values which is inserted in a table column. So I am writing null values are empty values which are inserted in table column. Okay, okay, so whenever we created a table, and after creation of table we have to insert data in our table, right? So we have to store our information in that particular table. So whenever so a table must have some columns defined when we create, and when we going to insert data in our table, if I left some column for insertion, that column value will be automatically null. Okay. So let's say I am creating a employee table. There are many columns like employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee department, like that. If I when I going to insert data in employee table, if some value column value I just left blank, or I am not giving any value in for that column, so it will be automatically take values null when the data or record is inserted in the table. Okay, understand? Okay, fine. Now I'll show you how null can be effectively used in our SQL queries. Okay. Now for that so there is two operator with null. So what are the operators? Operators on null. So there are two operators on null. One is null, and another is not null. So these two operators on null we have in our SQL or Oracle. Okay. So I'll show you how we can effectively use these two operators, or how we can effectively use null yeah, in our SQL queries. So I am going to SQL command prompt right now. Okay. So I have a table, EMP table in our database. So EMP table have EMP number, EMP name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission. So I see, and department number. So you can see the commission values are null. That means there are no values, or whenever data is inserted in the EMP table, that values have left just left and no values are given, and other column values are given where null where commission is there is no commission is displaying. Okay. So but there is a reason where commission is actually not here. They are not actually getting the commission, because only salesman gets the commission, right? That's why wherever the job designation is salesman, their commission is there. Okay. So now I will see how null values or null operators are working effectively in our SQL. We can use effectively null operators in our SQL queries. Okay. Now let's say I want to tell you how you can find out all the employees who are are not salesmen. Okay. So I want to find a I want to find out all the employees apart from salesman. So how I can do that? I am writing the SQL statements for that, or SQL queries. So see here, I will write select star from EMP where. So only salesman have the commission, so I will use the commission field for that to fetch that records or data. So I have to fetch where the apart from salesman, we have to find out all the other employees. Okay. So I'll use commission field for that. So I'm writing here select star from EMP where commission COMM is null. So apart from a salesman, all the employees have commission null. There is no value for commission, right? So I'll extract all the records who are not salesmen. Okay. So just let's see yes, we have got all the employees who are not salesmen. Okay. So likewise, if I say just find out all the records for salesman, so how we can find out all the records for who are salesmen? So I'll use the commission field again, using the null operators. So this time I will use the SQL query like this: select star from EMP where commission COMM is not null. That means salesperson must have a commission. So sales commission is not null. So I'll just enter. See here, all the salesperson records are coming. So this way we can use the null operators effectively in our SQL queries to find out the desired results. Okay. So I think you have understood well what is null value and how we can use effectively to extract the data with the null operators. Okay, fine. So I have discussed all the things, all the operators, and I have shown how to use those operators about null. So I think you have understood well. So that's all in this tutorial session. Just like the video, if you have learned and understand this tutorial, and also comment me if you understand well or not. Just comment below the video so that I can also understand you have understand well. Okay. And also if you just like my video, if you have understanding, if you have get well understanding from my tutorial session, and also subscribe my channel so that if I upload the next video you can get a notification. And also you can join my online training session. I provide online training. During last 10 years I am providing training on Oracle and Unix technologies. I provide training on Oracle architecture and database design. I provide training for complete SQL course, that is structured query language. I provide training for complete Oracle PL/SQL programming course, and also I provide training for Unix shell scripting course. Okay, so all these trainings are going online. You can join anytime. So just join my online training to get detailed understanding of all the topics and complete course. And also just comment me on which topic you want my tutorial video. So next time I will make the video and will upload it for your learning purpose. Okay. And also comment, don't forget to comment how you understand my videos and tutorial. Okay, that's all from this tutorial session. And just like my video and subscribe my channel. Also comment me in below my video so that I understand that you have get some knowledge from my video. Okay, tutorials, video tutorial. Okay. And also there are you can contact me if you want to join my online session. You can contact me. The contact number is on the thumbnail of each video, and also you can WhatsApp me, or you can email me also. There are email in the description section below the video. Just you email me if you want to join my training session. I'll tell you how we can what is the process of joining online training. Once process is completed, you just start your desired course. And that's all. Thank you very much for watching my video, and bye.